Personality tests designed for healthcare jobs aim to evaluate your personality traits, work style, and compatibility with the job and organizational culture. While the format and questions may vary, there are some general tips to help you prepare. Review the job requirements. Consider the specific job requirements and desired traits for the healthcare position you are applying for. Think about the essential skills, qualities, and behaviors needed for success in that role. Be honest and authentic. Personality tests aim to evaluate your true self. Avoid attempting to give answers that you think your employer wants to hear. Instead, answer truthfully and be genuine in your responses. It is vital to showcase your actual personality and work style. Self-reflection. Take some time for self-reflection on your personality traits, strengths, and areas for improvement. Reflect on situations or experiences where you have shown certain qualities or behaviors relevant to the job. This will help you align your answers with your actual experiences. Understand the traits being assessed. Personality tests often assess traits such as conscientiousness, extroversion/introversion, openness to new experiences, agreeableness, and emotional stability. Understand these traits and what they entail to comprehend how they may be assessed. Read instructions carefully. Before starting the test, read the instructions carefully and comprehend the response format. Pay attention to any specific instructions or time limits for each question. Practice self-awareness. Develop self-awareness of your behavioral tendencies and preferences. Consider how you typically react in various work-related situations, handle stress, and interact with others. This self-awareness can help you answer questions more effectively. Take practice tests. Find sample personality tests or questionnaires commonly used in the healthcare industry. Practice answering the questions to become familiar with the format and types of traits being assessed. This will help you feel more comfortable during the actual assessment. Remember that the purpose of a personality test is to evaluate your fit for the job and organizational culture. Developing self-awareness is crucial for acing personality tests.